So my little topic and rant of the day is about solar panels. They are obviously very popular in some areas. They haven't been huge here in our market, but have become increasingly, popular in our area over the last few years. But over the last year, I've had a few different sellers who, were just really kind of disappointed when they went to go sell their home because they still had a loan for the solar panels on the property. And so just if you're thinking about solar panels, please just think about this, okay? Because I've actually read through documentation recently from a solar company, and it literally in the section that said, when you sell your home, you can transfer it to the new homeowner so that they can have their energy saving costs as long as they can qualify to take over the loan, or B, you can increase what you're asking for the home to offset the panels and then pay them off at closing. Here's the issue. Most people, now obviously are there cash buyers out there? Yes, there are. Is that majority of our market? Absolutely not. Are most people getting mortgages? 100%. So those panels in our market, I can't speak for other markets, in our market, do not provide significant increase in appraisal value. And so that is very disappointing for sellers to find out. And sometimes, especially if I'm doing a market analysis and they're expecting, because they paid, let's say, 25 grand for their solar panels, that the value of their home is going to increase 25 grand. That is not the case. That is absolutely not the case here in our market. So don't come at me if you're at another market, and I'm speaking for our market, Danville, Bloom, Northeast Pennsylvania area. So as long as you're putting on solar and you're either paying for them outright, so you own the panels, or you are planning on paying them off at closing, is really not enticing to the buyers. So just note that, because I hate when sellers are disappointed because they thought something that's not actually true. So, have you guys been thinking about solar? Because it would be awesome to not have a huge electric bill, if you paid for the panels and had paid off panels. And then another thing to worry about is the warranty too. So you got to make sure everything's transferable. Most of the time it is, but you definitely have to double check that. So anyways, just curious, if you have solar and you live in the area, do you love it? Are you glad you did it? Let me know. And if so, what companies?